PhotoAID app, passport photo, sometimes you need to have the new passport or some visa, whatever. And for that, you need to have a passport photo, which has strict requirements, strict size. You should have neutral background, guidelines, and so on. And basically for that, usually you need to go to a professional photographer and pay some specific price. Here, you can try to do this app. There is no guarantee that it will be successful. It depends on your original photo, but sometimes it can pass, especially with the new iPhones, and you can literally save money on professional photographer if you just use this app. So here you have it, and then you can just select view all documents which you can have, and that's what you have in here. So yeah, like you can just select any photo, take a photo, our AI checks it in 3 seconds, proceed to payment, compliance check, and photo is ready. So that's the idea.